know if y'all have seen Eli eat lately, but I wanted to record how much better he's getting. He opens his mouth, waiting on the spoon. And he's not nearly as messy as he was. Yay, Eli! Yay! More. We're eating peaches, and he loves peaches. He loves peaches and peaches-flavored yogurts. Don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah. I don't know why when he eats, though, he gets red under his eyes. Y'all see it? I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. More? 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 Can't get it in him fast enough. More? You're like a little bird. More? Is it good? Lots of expression in those feet of his. More? More? We're working on sign language. More? Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Yeah. You love him. I love him. Okay, bye.